The Siddaramaiah government has announced several education and welfare initiatives for minorities in the Karnataka Budget 2026-27. The measures include new residential schools, student hostels, laptop grants, and employment support for minority youth. The government will establish 10 Saint Shishunala Sharif residential schools with CBSE curriculum, with 25 more schools planned next year. 117 Maulana Azad Model and Urdu schools will be upgraded into Karnataka public schools at a cost of 600 crore rupees, while 100 more schools will be upgraded with 400 crore funding. The government will establish 25 new post-matric hostels with capacity of 150 students each and increase intake in 25 existing hostels by 50 students each. 4 minority residential schools will be developed as centers of excellence to provide coaching for KSET, JEE, and NEET exams. Science and commerce streams will begin in 25 Morarji Desai residential schools, while commerce will start in 18 APJ Abdul Kalam residential schools. 5,000 economically weaker meritorious minority students will receive 50,000 rupees each to purchase laptops. Unemployed minority youth will receive fast food truck trailers or mobile kitchen food kiosks with 75% subsidy up to 3 lakh rupees. The budget allocates 100 crore for the development of Jain, Buddhist and Sikh communities, along with 6,000 monthly honorarium for Buddhist Dhammacharis.